Dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thanks for clicking this video. In this video, we will discuss that if we use the word I understand instead of that, what other words we can use in our spoken English language. If you use these words in your spoken language, then your spoken or communicative language will improve and it will be impressive and you will be able to impress someone or other words easily. So let's see. Stop saying I understand. इसकी जगह पे हम और क्या कहते हैं? Stop saying I understand all the time rather than try these words which I am going to tell you. Well, you can say I get that. अगर आप कहीं भी कहते हैं ना कि I understand, so spoken language में आप I get that भी कह सकते हैं. If you say I get that, it will reflect a positive vibe. Another word is I get the point. I understand की जगह आप कह सकते हैं I get the point. I get the point कि मैंने इसे समझ लिया है. I get the point, I get that. इन शब्दों के सहारे आप अपनी जो स्पोकन लैंग्वेज है उसको और ज़्यादा शार्प कर सकते हो. जैसे कहते हैं ना ही इज़ वेरी फ्लुएंट, बट व्हेन यू talk to someone fluently, then you will have to speak these kind of words as well. I understand is very common, but if you say I get that, I get the point, these kind of words or lines will give a positive impression. Next is I get your idea. अगर हम किसी को कहते हैं ना कि मैंने तुम्हारी बात समझ ली है, तुम्हारा कहना मेरे समझ में आ गया है, then we can say that I get your point, I get your idea. मुझे तुम्हारा आइडिया समझ में आया है. That's cool enough. I understand के साथ साथ हम कह सकते हैं That's cool enough. That's cool enough का मतलब कि जो तुमने कहा है वो ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिकल है. अगर हम ऐसी बात किसी को बोलते हैं ये यार ज़्यादा अच्छा है, दैट्स कूल इनफ, ये बहुत अच्छा है. दैट्स फेयर इनफ, ये ज़्यादा बेहतर रहेगा. दैट्स फेयर इनफ. सो सच काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेस गिव्स अस कॉन्फिडेंस एज वेल. इफ यू हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस टू यूज दीज वर्ड्स, देन you will be able to speak in English language without any hesitation. And if you don't have the hesitation, then you can communicate fluently with anyone. It will boost your confidence to speak in English language. That makes sense. आप कहते हैं किसी की कोई बात आती है तो हम कहते हैं अरे यार ये बात बनी कुछ, तो उसको बोलते हैं that makes sense. हाँ यार अभी कुछ बात बनी, that makes the sense. Your idea is good, your point is good, I get that, that makes sense. हम ऐसे अगर इन सेंटेंसेस को यूज़ करते हैं तो इसके यूज़ करने से हमारा जो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल है वो अप जाता है. जब हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल अप रहेगा तो कॉन्फिडेंटली किया हुआ कोई भी काम ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव रहेगा. ये आप सब भी समझते हैं. बट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स, हमें ज़रूरत है सिर्फ थोड़ा सा कार्य करने की, थोड़ा सा मेहनत, थोड़ी सी हार्डवर्क और थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस. इन सब चीज़ों को मिला के एक बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट निकलेगा और अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट प्रोडक्ट यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एंड योर कम्युनिकेटिव इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज विल बी गुड. These days we can see that English is getting more and more important. If you are a student and you will have to face an interview, and all interviews are conducted in English language these days. First question will be there, tell something about yourself, and most probably second one will be why we should hire you. So if you have the communication skills, then you can answer those questions very easily. And if you have the skills to explain anything or do anything, but if you are not able to communicate that skills towards other, then you will not be able to get that job. So that's why English is becoming a common language these days. Worldwide, English is spoken and English is used by many of the people. And moreover, if you are from a one particular community and you will have to explain about your community, your caste, your religion to others who are not able to understand your native language, then you can communicate your views and ideas, your ethics of your religion, your problems. You can explain them in English language, and they are almost all person are able to understand English language these days. That's why it is important these days. Next, you can say absolutely. Absolutely is also a word, or you could say absolutely. Absolutely भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं वर्ड्स को जब आप आई अंडरस्टैंड कहते हैं। तो आई अंडरस्टैंड का मतलब कि एब्सोल्युटली जब आपने बोला तो आप कह सकते हैं कि हाँ मैं समझ गया, और समझने के बाद आपको उसको इतना समझ आया कि आप उसके दिए हुए आइडिया से या एडवाइस से बहुत ज़्यादा सहमत हैं। Then you can say absolutely. You are saying absolutely correct, right? And one of my favorite is hear what you are saying. Hear what are you saying? ये सब के सब sentences आप practice करेंगे, then you will be able to communicate in English language. So if you have understood anything, then you will have to practice these things so that you can use these tips in your communicative language. Hope you will find this beneficial for you. If you want to learn more, follow me and subscribe my channel.